How much po for a wedding? Kasunod ng tanong na to, kung bakit daw mas mahal ang bridal makeup sa normal event. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, yung bridal makeup po ay mas detailed, kaya mas matagal yung process. Hindi ito pwedeng madaliin. Dapat lahat perfect from skincare hanggang sa lipstick. Si bride, siya yung star ng moment. Kaya dapat, siya yung magiging pinakamaganda sa araw na ito. Number 2, longevity and premium products ang gamit namin. Dahil kailangang magtagal talaga yung makeup niya from the preparation hanggang reception. Number 3, dapat high definition makeup. Hindi lang maganda sa picture, but also maganda din pati sa personal. So, mas technical talaga yung blending, color correcting, and layering ng makeup. Number 4, pressure and responsibility. Wala pong retake pagdating sa wedding. If the bride is late or unhappy, hindi siya satisfied sa makeup, napakalaking impact po nito sa buong event. Kaya kasama po sa rate yung experience ng makeup artist, professionalism, and calmness, or yung positive energy. Di ba nga kami yung cheerleader ninyo? So, napaka-importante po ng personality ng makeup artist na kukunin ninyo sa kasal ninyo. Isama mo na rin yung extra service like trial makeup, early call time, travel and service fee, the setup, the consultation and mood board, and a lot more. And lastly, emotional value. Your wedding is once in a lifetime event. Hindi lang makeup yung babayaran mo dito, kundi pati yung confidence, peace of mind, and luxury experience na rin. So, para sa nagtanong kung how much, PM sent na po. So, book your makeup artist wisely. God bless you, beautiful people, and to our brides-to-be. Ciao!